Hello, you stinky bio students. Welcome to your first screencast. You should treat these screencasts just like you would a lecture in class. Take notes. Sometimes things go quickly. Feel free to pause, rewind, and watch again. So, to start off, dynamics of the ecosystem. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about nutrient cycling and energy flow. And these two concepts were noted in our walk today, but not really explicitly outlined, so I want to just be a little bit more explicit for you in this screencast. These are two really important ideas that are going to be critical for your understanding of many more complex things that we'll study, such as photosynthesis or primary productivity or even the basics of ecology. So, let's just jump right in. Nutrient cycling. So today we talked about our three basic ecological categories or niches, and those were our producers, our consumers. I want to do this in a different color. One sec. Producers, consumers, and decomposers. And I'm just going to throw up a few photos. Okay, here we are, producers, consumers, and decomposers. Actually, all of these photos are taken on or near Choate's campus. The first photo of the producers is actually taken in the Science Center. Extra bonus points to anyone who can find these plants in the Science Center. The consumers photo was taken yesterday up at the KEC. Monarch butterflies are hatching from chrysalises. And decomposers, was taken over at Sleeping Giant State Park. That's an enormous fungus on a log. It's called chicken of the woods. Pretty cool, enormous fungi there. If you break apart the log that it's basically digesting, you can see the hyphal filaments, which are basically the body of the fungus. The orange part on the top, the orange-yellow part, is just the fruiting body. Anyway, kind of cool. But nutrient cycling. Okay, so today we started out talking about how producers capture light energy from the sun and use it to build sugars. And then they use those sugars both for energy for themselves and also to build their own bodies. They are made of the sugars that they produce. Then, from there, consumers consume producers and break down those sugars, use those sugars for energy, and also build their own bodies. And from there, both from consumers and also from producers, we have decomposers breaking down those sugars, using them to build their own bodies and also for energy. And decomposers return those nutrients to the environment, where they are once again incorporated by producers into their own bodies. So, you'll notice here, the nutrient cycle is a cycle. There really is no beginning or end. It was arbitrary that we started with producers. And all the nutrients on Earth are fixed. They're not going anywhere. This is in comparison to the energy flow, which is our next slide. So, okay, same overall setup, but in addition to producers, consumers, and decomposers, we need to talk about something also very important for this process, and that is the sun. So, start at the sun. Light energy from the sun comes down, hits the earth, and is used by producers to create sugars. In that process, some of the energy is lost as heat. Producers then are consumed by consumers, and some of that energy is lost as heat. Consumers and producers, both dead and dying, are consumed by decomposers, and some of that energy is lost as heat. So energy enters the ecosystem from the sun and flows through it and out. So in comparison to our nutrient cycle, where all our nutrients are coming back into the cycle again, energy has a one-directional flow into and then out of our ecosystem. Okay, pretty basic screencast to start off. That is it. Be prepared for a quiz on this the next time I see you, which is tomorrow, I believe. Good luck. Okay, that is all. Adios.